What's up, good people? This is Brittany, and I am back today to share some information about wholesaling and real estate. I hope you are excited. I hope you're doing well. Our topic today is 6 essential tools that every beginner wholesaler needs to start in this business. Number 1, your education. Invest in your education and learning how to execute a wholesale deal from A to Z. That's why you click on this video, because you've already started your journey on educating yourself of how to successfully wholesale a piece of real estate. So continue on that journey. There is a wealth of knowledge out there for you to choose from. There are many online mentors, many people who share free information via YouTube and Facebook and Instagram. So you have many people to choose from in order for you to continue on learning about wholesaling and real estate. And I am one of them. So right now, click that subscribe button if you're watching this on YouTube, because I post detailed content about how to execute a wholesale deal from A to Z. There are also paid programs that you can invest in, that you can join for your training, for networking, for mentoring, and all of that. And if you decide to pay for a mentor program or a training course, have 2 to 3 goals in mind of what you want to get out of that course or what you want to get out of joining that program, because the name of the game is focus. Okay, so if you go in and you join and you have 2 to 3 things that you are focused on to accomplish, you get more value. Okay, you want to be able to create as much value as possible because you are investing your currency into this. All right, so we want to get the most out of it. Number 2, the second essential tool that you need are seller leads. You need potential motivated seller prospects in order to close a deal. Okay, so we have to target these seller leads via marketing. So your third essential tool that you need to choose 2 to 3 marketing strategies that you will use in order to get these seller leads. So whether it's driving for dollars, or sending yellow letters, or sending postcards, or doing marketing on social media, or running ads on Green Sheet, the list goes on and on. There are many marketing strategies that you can use in order to get your seller leads. So you have to choose at least 2 to 3 in order for you to generate these seller leads in your business. The fourth tool is, in order to employ your 2 to 3 marketing strategies, you may need some marketing startup money in order to purchase leads, to purchase you a list from places like ListSource, to pay for the postage if you decide to send a letter or a postcard. And if you also decide to do bandit signs, you still have to pay for those. Whether you do it the low-cost way of hand making them yourself, you still might need to buy supplies, buy a hammer, buy nails, buy stakes. You get the picture. I did create a video. I do have a video on my channel. It's called Low Cost to No Cost Ways in Order to Generate Seller Leads. It is one of my more popular videos. I will link that below. But we found a nice size piece of foam board at the Dollar Tree. It's $1. And what we did is we cut the foam board into 4 and made 4 bandit signs. Now, again, we still had to invest money, but that is a low cost way. So that fourth essential tool, you may need some startup marketing money in order to employ your marketing strategies. All right, ladies and gents, the fifth essential tool that you need is a cell phone. I know, everybody has a cell phone, right? But I want you to now look at your cell phone as a money maker, right? This is a way for potential sellers to call you. So when you send out your postcards or your envelopes, or you hang your bandit signs, or you're doing your social media marketing, whatever marketing strategy that you choose, the sellers need a way to call you. So you create a Google Voice number, which is totally free. If you have a Gmail account, you have a Google Voice number, okay? You just have to go online to set it up. Google that. The instructions will be there for you to do that. So you'll get your Google Voice number, and you can use this on your marketing for your sellers to contact you, right? Because you don't want people, I personally don't want people calling my personal number. So I created a Google Voice number in order for me to have a designated number for my business. Your cell phone is also great for internet access. If you are posting your marketing on social media or you are on Facebook groups, you know, at the end of the day, having a cell phone and really looking at it as a tool for your business is so important because you have literally the whole world at the tip of your hands. So if you're out driving for dollars, you can use your notes section in your phone to jot down the addresses. You have Facebook at your fingertips if you need to post about a new deal that you have to your private Facebook groups in order to get buyers. Like I said, the list goes on and on. So having a cell phone and you creating a Google Voice number, there are other services to where you can create numbers as well, but Google Voice is free, so use it. The sixth essential tool that you need is a reliable car. Why? I humbly believe that you can do this business and actually close your first deal without a lot of money and a lot of resources. But a reliable car is one of those things that you need. Why? When your sellers call you back, you've negotiated a deal, you have to go out and look at the property, right? You need a car to do that. So I call those seller appointments. So you need a reliable car in order to go out and meet your sellers, okay? If you decide to do driving for dollars as one of your marketing strategies, you will need a car to do that in order to drive the neighborhoods to jot down the addresses of the distressed properties. Now, this is the one that's most important. You need a reliable car to pick up your check, okay? When you close your first real estate wholesale deal, you gonna hit that freeway and you're gonna drive to that title company in order to pick up your check. Now, you might decide to get it wired, but some people, just for the feel of it, want to see that check, want to see that moolah in their hand. You need a reliable car to do that, okay? So last but not least, this is, in my humble opinion, the most important essential tool that every beginner wholesaler needs in this business, and it is a will to make it work. This is so important because your mindset with going off into executing the steps in order to close a wholesale deal is so crucial. A yes attitude is so important for you getting to that finish line of closing your first wholesale deal. These online mentors, all of these resources and tools are just that, okay? These are just things for you to use in order to be successful in this business. But the magic sauce is you. The magic sauce in my business is me. I make it happen. I think it's important for you to have a winner's mindset of, yes, I can. I'll do whatever it takes. I'm going to keep trying. Have that determination. Have that, yes, I'm going to make this work no matter what attitude. And this is going to take you so far. So go back to the education piece. Not only should you invest in learning how to execute a wholesale deal from A to Z, but you also have to invest in your personal growth. Because my humble opinion is this. How far you go in business is as far as you're investing in growing and knowing yourself as a person. There are many books out there. I can name some off right now. Think and Grow Rich is one of my favorites. For all my melanated people out there, there's a version called Think and Grow Rich, A Black Choice. It is a phenomenal book. There's another book called The 7 Habits of Highly Successful People. That is a great book as well. I mean, the list goes on and on. But in my humble opinion, as you invest in your education of how to do this business, please educate yourself in how to grow personally, and it'll take you so much further. Okay? I am checking out today. My hope is that this information is helpful for you in learning about this business. Any question that y'all have, leave them below. I will get back to you, okay? Please subscribe. The name of my channel on YouTube is Cobb RE Services. If you like to follow me on Facebook, I am Brittany L. Cobb on there. I'm also Brittany L. Cobb on Instagram if you want to follow me there as well. I hope you all have a great day, and I will see you all in my next video. Let's get it.